Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss the topic is types of chemical reactions. Totally four types is there. Today I am going to explain you the first type, that is combination reaction. Combination, the word itself telling combining. Two or more reactants combine to form single product, one product, that is called as combination reaction. See the rule now. A is one reactant and B is another reactant. So when A reacts with B, it gives us single product, that is AB. This is the rule for the combination reaction. Then we'll see some example. Magnesium reacts with oxygen, gives magnesium oxide. Magnesium is one reactant, oxygen is another reactant. So two reactants is there. When it reacts, it gives us single product, that is magnesium oxide. The same as carbon reacts with oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it gives us water. Hydrogen reacts with chlorine, it gives hydrogen chloride. So here we are getting only a one product on the right hand side. So two or more reactants can combine, but at last we can get only a one product. Then you can say this type of reactions is called as combination reaction. Now we'll see the experiment for combination reaction. Formation of slacked lime by the reaction of quicklime with water. So take one beaker, add calcium oxide. The calcium oxide is known as quicklime, and after that pour some water into the beaker. Now what will happen? Calcium oxide is going to react with water and it forms a new product that is called as calcium hydroxide. This calcium hydroxide is called as slacked lime, CaOH2, where we will use this slacked lime. This slacked lime can be used for whitewashing. So while doing this experiment, when you touch the beaker, you can feel much hot. Why? So because the heat is coming out, the heat is evolving out. So this kind of heat is coming out, you can say it as a exothermic reaction. In future videos I am going to tell you the detail about the exothermic and endothermic reactions. Next, one more question to you. Why do walls after whitewashing appears shiny after a few days? Because whitewashing means that is calcium hydroxide. So it is going to react with air because air contains carbon dioxide. When calcium hydroxide is going to react with carbon dioxide, it forms a product is calcium carbonate. So this calcium carbonate on the surface of the walls, which gives us shiny appearance after 2 to 3 days of whitewashing, right? So one more thing I want to tell you, the chemical formula for marble is also calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Why? Because of calcium carbonate only the marble which gives us shiny appearance. Clear? So I hope you peoples are clear about the combination reactions, experiment, why the walls which gives us shiny appearance. For all these questions you got answer, right? And next video I am going to tell you about decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is reverse of combination reaction. If this video is informative to you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.